Your personal data might be exposed for anyone to find. Learn how to remove your information from TruePeopleSearch.com. Fast and easy. TruePeopleSearch.com lists personal information like your name, address, phone number, and more. Opting out is crucial for protecting your privacy. This guide will walk you through the opt-out process step by step. 1. Start by visiting their website at https://truepeoplesearch.com. Click Remove My Info at the footer by scrolling down. 2. A box titled Return My Info will appear. You can see here that you must complete their opt-out form, which is not available on their website. However, you can select the Contact Us tab from the menu on the left. 3. To request the opt-out form, send an email to their customer service department at support@truepeoplesearch.net. It can take several attempts for you to successfully complete your TruePeopleSearch opt-out. We advise exercising both perseverance and patience. 4. After you submit the form, your listing should be taken down within 48 hours. Your data on sites like TruePeopleSearch puts you at risk of scams and identity theft. Removing it protects your privacy. TruePeopleSearch is just one of many data brokers. Let Delete My Info remove your details from multiple sites. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com today. Like and subscribe for more privacy tips. Stay safe.